Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today it's all about motorcycling gear. I'm going to tell you how I choose my gear and I'll also show you what I have. I'm sure you already know what motorcycling gear is. Everything you use while you're on the bike to protect yourself is all motorcycling gear. So there's a lot of variety of motorcycling gear available in India. So how do you choose? When it comes to me, so these are the 4 things which I keep in mind when I choose my gear. Number 1 is what kind of riding do I do? Now this is more important to me than what kind of bike I ride. Let me explain. So let's suppose I own an adventure tourer. What that basically means is this bike has the capability of going off-road, it has the capability of touring, it can even be used as a daily commuter, it can be used for city rides and so on and so forth. Now when I say what kind of riding do I do, is let's suppose I use this bike only for touring and I never take it out for off-roading. So in this case, I need gear which is more appropriate for touring. Now touring gear is usually designed to be able to handle 2 or 3 seasons, which means it might have different layers, whereas off-road gear may not have the capability to handle different seasons. Then the question is, can you use the touring gear for off-roading? Of course you can, but it's not meant to do that, which means you might be uncomfortable using a touring gear while off-roading. So in my case, I mostly do touring, which basically means the gear which I've picked up is supposed to help me out there. Second, decide on your budget. Once you decide your budget, you will always find different options within that budget. Third is, if you have the option, always try out the gear before you buy it. That will help you understand if it is a good fit. Fourth is, do good research about that particular product. If you know other riders who use the same product, check with them. If you have online resources available, read through the customer reviews, and that will give you a good picture about what kind of product this is. If you have very good reviews about that particular product online, that will tell you that it's an all-round performer. Now the underlying idea behind motorcycle gear is that it's meant to protect you in the event of a crash. So when you look at products online, you will see a lot of jargons around abrasion resistance, C level 1 protection, D3O armor, C level 2 protection, and all that. So do your research well and try and understand what it means by C level 1 protection and C level 2 protection. What kind of armor should you be buying? What level of abrasion resistance might you require? So when you do your research, you will read up a lot about that particular product, and that way you'll be able to take an informed decision. Alright, so with that, let me show you my gear. So that's it for the second episode. If If you like the episode, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. And once again, thank you for watching and stay safe. Okay.